guys, Damon and Sophie today. We are featuring this gorgeous orange. It is a Corvette C7 Yenko. And it's absolutely gorgeous.
Isn't it?
It's got only
1,700 miles. Yeah.
miles. It's stunning. It's like a brand new car.
So I'm not going to do a walk around because
it's almost brand new.
it is brand new.
Perfect.
If you want to get in it and start it, I mean, we can pop the hood. It's got 1,000 horsepower. Have you ever driven 1,000 horsepower?
I don't know that we have.
1,000.
I don't think we have.
Can you say that?
1,000.
Yeah, 1,000
That's
horsepower.
a lot.
That's a lot. So you're gonna
I bet
get
it
in.
Sounds gorgeous.
You're gonna have your foot on the throttle, or on the throttle.
Throttle, yeah.
On the brake, on the brake and the clutch. Let me pop the hood. There's not gonna be anything really to show. I mean, it's not like we're doing a cold start.
And it's all clean, I bet.
Oh, it's perfect. It's been stored. So there it is. Been sitting in here with all of our other fun cars, just waiting for this video, waiting to go to a new home. Let me go on the back so you can start it and see if there's a puff of smoke. So stupid. There's not gonna be. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
And then you know how to change the exhaust sound? We're gonna show them the quiet and the loud. Yeah. Go ahead. We'll go do the drive video.
Yes.
Do it.
Okay.
What do you think of that? And then we can make it louder. Not that we're gonna do anything inside, but hit the tour button, make it quieter, stealth. Now I'm gonna go in the back and hit the other one. Louder. A lot quieter. Ready for the test drive?
Let's go.
I'm gonna pull it out of here and we will go for a drive.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.